What if I told you right now, while you're watching this, thousands of people are quietly losing their jobs, not to humans, but to AI? Sounds dramatic? Let me ask you something. If a machine can do your job faster, cheaper, and 24/7, why would any company keep you? That's not the future. That's already happening. And in 2026, it's accelerating faster than ever. But here's the twist. The same AI replacing jobs is also creating new millionaires. So the real question is, will you be replaced, or will you be the one using AI to replace others? In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 jobs AI is replacing in 2026, and more importantly, how you can stay ahead. Because job number 1 is already disappearing faster than you think. Number 1, data entry. Let's start with the most obvious one, data entry. Typing information, organizing spreadsheets, basic repetitive tasks. Here's the harsh truth. AI doesn't just do this job better, it does it instantly. No breaks, no errors, no salary. Companies are already replacing entire teams with simple automation tools. Imagine getting paid $40,000 a year for something AI can do in 10 seconds. Yeah, not looking great. But here's where it gets interesting. The people who used to do data entry are now getting paid more by learning how to build and manage AI systems instead. So instead of being replaced, they upgraded. And that brings us to something even scarier. Number 2, customer support representatives. You know those chat boxes on websites? Hi, how can I help you today? Yeah, half the time, you're not even talking to a human anymore. AI chatbots are now handling refunds, complaints, order tracking, even emotional conversations. And here's the crazy part, most people can't even tell the difference. Companies love it. Why? Because instead of paying 100 employees, they pay for one AI system. Brutal, but efficient. Quick question, when was the last time you waited on hold for customer support? Exactly, but don't panic yet, because the next job might surprise you. Number 3, content writers and copywriters. Yeah, even content writing is changing fast. Articles, emails, scripts, ads. AI can now generate content in seconds. Better grammar, faster output, endless ideas. Sounds like the end for writers, right? Not exactly, because here's the twist. Bad writers are getting replaced, but smart creators are using AI to produce 10 times more content and making more money than ever. Instead of writing everything manually, they guide AI, edit it, and scale it. So the job isn't dead, it's evolving. And if you ignore this shift, you won't just fall behind, you'll disappear. Now wait till you hear the next one. Number 4, graphic designers. Logos, thumbnails, social media posts, all of it now takes minutes with AI. Before, you needed years of skill. Now you need ideas. Tools can generate stunning visuals instantly, which means clients don't want to wait days anymore. They want results now. But here's a funny thought. If everyone can create designs, then why do some people still make thousands per project? Because tools don't replace creativity, they amplify it. The designers winning in 2026 aren't fighting AI, they're using it like a superpower. And that leads us to the most unexpected job on this list. Number 5, basic video editor. Cutting clips, adding subtitles, simple transitions. AI can now do all of it automatically. Upload your footage and boom. Full edited video. Sounds insane? It gets crazier. AI can even generate entire videos without you recording anything. So yeah, basic editing jobs are fading, but here's the opportunity. High-level storytelling, creative direction, viral editing styles, those are still human, which means if you level up your skills, you don't get replaced, you get paid more. So what did we just learn? AI is not just replacing jobs, it's replacing people who don't adapt. And the scariest part, most people are ignoring it, scrolling, watching, waiting, until it's too late. But you're different, you're here, which means you still have time. Real winners in 2026 won't be the smartest, they'll be the fastest learners. So don't ask, will AI take my job? Ask, how can I use AI to make money? Because that's the game now. And if you want to start, watch the next video on your screen, 5 AI tools you must learn before 2026. That video will show you exactly how to turn AI into your income machine. Click it now, before someone else does.